See they do, they come.
They go.
The video go come.
Good life.
With the problem about it.
Is it a network? You go cause I know see people review. The network. Yeah, check here.
Hello.
Yeah, don't talk.
Hello. Boris. Good beer. The
Especially Boris.
Boris. You go like Boris. I don't trust him like Boris. Gbogbo riga like Boris. Ije gonoma go you Boris. Oje kí ọ̀dà fún mi. Owe do ki bani. Oma do kari. Oma do eri. Get for my husband. Yeah. Dede done. Oh, yeah, me dede. When they did no has 60 years. We wa gwale. Wa ku yesi ta gwalo da fún mi kan. You are Boris. Avapejoa. Gbogbo riga. Ala wona we again no yari lasagna me menu le ne media. Ina na we say we for 2 days ni lasagna we la we gbe ba bo ke fi ekun le lo.
Oh, you di ka do agbe.
Sakmana enwa la re ni ba bo na la we gbe ba gbo ma de go mo jealous ki an gbe wa. Mo le la me gbe. Owo do de me la da do we video. Abi? Owo do we video ki ga gbe. Owo saga wi la de do agbe. Ni ba bo ke la we gbe ke de ra de na ye go ne pupu yeke. E o gbe mo do agbe. Pupu. Ute we gbe me na gbe mi ati ere bread na soak. Ogbegbe egbe. Izabo ye na izabe inya na gaga. Ikwa wo ye na ge onisan ye na ge frapa na pere go. No wa gbon.
Ewa.
Igbo ba ge ne me do sina be agbo ri be do si won e sun ogo me o. Ìwùnà me na wa muwe. Chelo si agbo a. Operun te gwa lo ma su obo. Like Boris. Avapejoa. Gbogbo riga. Bloody civilian.
Nonsense kabo.
Boy.
As one back.
Wa gbon. Gbaga no go adulterous woman.
As a yai.
The overrock patapata of them all.
No yoga ya gbe kioda fún.
No yoga ya gbe kioda fún. Idiot. Ashawo dan. O ze go leke franco ma mi o han te wu owo ye Kevin we ya mu owo dede. Okay we zu for we ina we una to the bottom e go. Ina we kwe ayi go me mare dede. We dede we na we go leke dede no awo. O je kia wa gbon. Wa ri oko e. Igbe agadan.
Ori oko yi.
Abe oni no wa ro ni ma mo ni awo be ye. Mo ni awo ri oko no ro be ye ko ni ma mo re. Oni amomore ne. Omo na ti wo be ye ko oni amore ne me kedo ago ego me we gbegu oni go ko no wa aso wa ke na aso se da kidon come we gbegu yen gun. Gbogbo ri gara me wa face na no wa na ne. Adulterous woman no ro na ge. Ije nothing. No wi yan ije go.
Ije le kuti.
Ugana be ame ya aweyo de ke no da fo me akesun be gbe we no wo wa gbon ye be mu we ya isele di adulterous be do no be do azu o be we na adulterous be hin wa gbon igbe age adan e ya nerun nu ya mo ki o da fo we be ro tono ma ya mu o ko be mu la wa na mo do aso
eni wa rin hin
no do ata lo no do avie yo o jagbon je mi ojo wa.
See, Frank, don't still put this bileto prego.
Bileto prego. All the bileto wey do, all the money wey take collect bileto for it, I don't know. Thief and go Germany. Tali gwalo we can do drop a bileto no, you bileto no do love you. Usu wo agbon. Igbe agada, adulterous woman. Number one adulterous woman no ro word on the buy price ro. No ya agenya da fun no ya gbe ki oda fun we na wono do ven no da fo wono do no da fo la da no wono do ven bo ni ona we ven bo ge e Christian yin Kekere wo hen.
You go we adulterous.
Ya
Don't
swear.
Not very simple.
Go and swear.
Don't swear. Say you no be adulterous. You never cheat on your husband. Don't swear.
How get swear that for me to mama wa wo. O man no wa gbe yagbon to me bo. Una agbo pe
agbo yagbon. You don't know say after you don't know say don't cheat on the husband. Because you don't want the man again.
You don't want the man again. O ma gbe yagbon dey no hey ya o.
Don't swear say you never cheat on your husband.
How get swear. So mama wa wo ya.
You go just pade. Who see him for social media go see better person. Better person we go mark bon.
Mi ò ní say ya fefe fun na we ma tojo agbores. Ipa mi pa ni asolu wa oyego.
Very useless woman.
Ipa ni agbeju o wa o.
Iya iku so jicha. Ah wow.
Ha. Egbona say egbona o me ti do mo.
How you go expect man we don't see say to be adulterous woman? You dey cheat on your husband. Make that man can't take you serious.
Can't respect you. Why is the one no jawe yawo?
Your husband dey cry, dey go for social media. Say you can't swear, you can't swear.
Woman swear.
You know, she don't let you come swear. You dey bend the matter. They bend the matter. They bend.
You go and shame your shame o. Ezo na ma de kai, me de yo.
Na ko ngana.
O ma kai.
Boy agwa na ko ya re.
O se yo da fo wo no si je kevia. Si ne hu ye kevi to gbo e. No me to ya saga we. Ina ni hu we malake.
Why you
saga you.
Right saga we ba. E bi to prego. Come sta, signora.
This woman. Una no know this woman, o ma da no. Na bad person you. Hey. Uno gide go o ma si no wa. Mona dey run for na mo this woman.
Na 2025, then you expose 2025.
Jesus.
Then you expose ko na the whole world go know you be that. How worry?
Just come and say.
Abi you want to gbele lu na bi go ma ni when my dey ni gbe.
You know na no money why you no more.
Oni na own working. If abi you know you be abi go borrow leg join them. Because only be zuwa. Only be more le gboto.
Ga bi one
of national pistol.
Oh, gije go no wa o adulterous woman. Uno wa o penu we bi uno mo bi ene. Ame ne. O penu we ra o bi o me ne na. O me kia ni ge ya o enu ya bi o me ne. After o me ne bi o me no wa gbogbo ani ya gbon. Uno wa adulterous ya gbogbo ani ya gbon ye go. Ye go and swear for your husband. O ho ma give marry ya asu ya even no nu do ya we ne nu mu fo anu we marry nu so biere ya gbon me nu ya mi o u condemn ne o go ma be o te nu do condemn ne re condemn we ya gbon me nu condemn na nu o wa gbon nu gbe o useless woman
na me what I no dey shame o we no dey shame
o no wa
e si ya na de ge ni gbe
o no ma me ne gbe o hin gbe agia
o asawo
o han shawo
o no go le small bro speak
don't tell me no ya we yo turn that for me don't tell me no ya we yo omo no wonu yo turn no to we yo turn ya do no take keep mo wa akin because we ma me ti bo ma we mo akin o jagbon je mi o je kia useless woman ola da me de rodo haro bi o gan me very si you egbe ya mo ni ya me mo ya doctor sa ma te sunu je ni o mo yo be va ya gunu we na we wa akin
Yoro skumat.
Sakma no nware you wa
go. We the picture we were you are the hair. Person we put that picture there, that person.
Now God go bless am.
Person we put your picture come out for that adulterous people, all those people they for there so. You need person we no see no, you know, I never even know anything about her.
Oh, you know kokomo.
You know kokomo of UK. Riyanti na no UK game
that one no UK
that you see the UK
pass me name pass
lodo pass and saburu fo where no why ya gbe when they prove what more easy go gbe mo ronga te bien mwe ronga te bien mwe be we pi aga no gogo hey people you go we are
o ga ila dia o mati o no go read the body language ya away from head to toe you are crying do uke wa agi me no na Oh, after the ghetto word, why you word my guy, you word marry go with a big
Brad price is your head. Brad price why you don't this useless woman. You frustrate the man when they say frustration to the highest level. This same man will make you after you don't leave a shower walk. We say you leave for Sardinia, call Roma. This man I put on for us. This man they feed down, they take care of him with the family. If they say sponsor a brother to the university, this man money they don't know everything. This papa I go money.
Okay, finish it.
All his sweat, night stand the family.
This woman,
this useless woman, frustrated woman. This man suffer all the money when this man work for prison. Now this is stupid woman, I chop all the money. At the end of the day, now after the suffer what this man suffer, he can say, die minutes when you know say this man not old. He not fit do anything. If I play this man video for this man video, when this man say go hospital,
operation.
This man go hospital, go do operation for prick. This useless woman, your husband. The video where your husband take go do operation for hospital. He sent that for me. I get her. This useless woman so. When he knows that this man don't this man not dey okay again, he abandon her. He want find that man. I married, it turned problem to this woman. It turned problem to her. Hey! You want make I pursue my wife? Tell me what now I want to use this guy, the old retirement of mobility of Sardinia to do. We wear jeans trousers like Beleto Pregro with a bubble gas suit.
Hey! Yeah, was a balana girl in Nigeria. Maybe I take a cousin in solo go in Nigeria and why your mama.
What are you saying?
Mama a bra.
Who see how they dress they drop like woman will get passport. It's a salon seeker. Oh God, how can you imagine?
We have very regret to put man.
A woman under asylum. They wear George Maro Perez.
George not like my wife.
So sure where they give you money, we give you house where you stay. Go wear simple English, bullshit. Can't see you, can't give you money, can't feed you, can't give you food, can't give you things where you go take eat, can't give you milk. You will the one can't give milk. You they carry money, they go Nigeria, go they so go.
You go abo when we are if abo ala we baby na wo obo we no kia. We so we te frank wa o ala lo ni san kan. Wa ti e han wa gun. O wa gun we no we mo wa ne. Because o wa I la mi bai. O ye goson me. O ye Godmother we. O na cooking we to wa 24 hours wa ti e. Wa ti gbogbo riga.
Goson.
Avec fake life igbo e wa gbon.
No be your leg goson.
Go bed.
Go bed.
And then I go bed e go so no. I have to have I'm not going to me. I have to get in the water. Why you water? You are still married woman.
I say
you are still a married woman.
Either you hear me going.
You are still a married woman. It be again no go. Adulterous woman. I gbé la adulterous woman na go yo. Una go go no why number 1.
Iya one of the generation of adulterers.
You are the reason of all those adulterers in our gbele because you doing it.
Anyway, worry. Oh, second I don't me ya.
What why hack phone when I hack me ya ekpa. Manu wa wo ga me nwa.
I never see anything. What why be careful in evidence. Unfortunately, everything is already transferred to my sister. Nobody understand better.
Egbele ga niyan, yana fi boy phone. Yana fi boy Facebook. Bena niyan, hije me wo. Onisi han ve. When onisi we na wa to kwane. Oto yi kwa wo.
That video shocked them.
Yete wa gogo we, ini go wa ya koko wa donate wa koko wa te agbe page wa ya agbe phone. Upon no.
I don't know why I post there. Where is new content creator? Where is the one?
Every dog by you, why you boy, you know, wow, go set man on where you are on fefe.
I was
no macon.
Go and follow my dollar wahala. Wahala le dollar wahala.
Was a dollar see na yana.
Dollar wahala. Wahala le dollar wahala. More update about dollar wahala.
Wala tia. Ete na yamare. Umewa one of the universe.
I need to talk on YouTube.
Umewa one of the universe. Wa fio boyo never no kon wa ku work to ni ba bo ala egbe ne suwa na gbu wa gbon. Wa fio bo lele ya. Ato wa e woni ni agbo ifo do mana partition egbe wo wa na no no iri okun depression wo wa na ije go gbugbo riga wo ye wo ya wo wa. Uwa mo wa o. Uwa ma mo o. Emi no kon wa o bo ti ba bo do la wa gbe. E we amu wa ni ya gbon yin. O wa ni uwe amu uwa ka mo nya hun. We do ya agwa lo ke Frankie wo ni ka mo wa ni na. Ya gbon yo da vie yo to. Upi e u to me. Wa mo wa ke?
Bona ye go mi o wa ne ti yan mo.
Yeah, but all doju no ya hun to. We worry. Wa ko ale la bo ya kan ya. Avie ni no ka fe no wa ka vio kere ke picture no wa ka vio kere. O gbe avie ya jo. Babo ke ala wa gbe.
E worry ya mo ge ni je ni send ni post e. No we vio ge. Ave kwa. Awo bono ma negbe. Ave ye no ma ye no.
Cause awo boni e bego de. Ya ma ke ne mota je be me. O wa believe we e boro pa gi ton. Cause ya bego de ya bego no sunu. O se ni babo na ye la wa gbe kana. Onu wa ye na ese wa ye we che ma disgrace gbe wa ye je. Wa o wa gbon.
Ma so saga.
Se dede unu ye zigwe jeje go na to no ma gbe okoda fun me. Unu ye zuje no wa gbo ki be ku wa adion no na dede gbo e wa gbon jealousy gbelu wa.
No babe, honey, see. Let me tell you one thing. Now people, I agree to now.
I'm not just understand. It dey vex me.
Again, what people don't understand. This woman say me marry Dede, and she senior my wife. She senior my wife, and she want have me as your own boyfriend. Wanna tell me what is she be if my wife na Dede?
I tire her.
She na a day days. Hey God, I worry. Wa a story ye go no wa ya. You go ya hu ya le. Be ma mi rock ba.
Babo la wa gbe wa.
A secret between me and you. Mo nya you know ya fan so be jara. I go open and go unveil and your word go hear. Your husband go hear. You da for work yan ho. Do my any or da for yan.
If I want go Nigeria, I go carry your mama follow body.
Ani. We was your ni ai ya gbe
no. Yeah, but no, you go carry are for kakan ti wa o wa gbon abo je kia. Abi ya ni gwa lo odere ni kan mari. Wa gbe wa gbon. Ere disgrace ke ya ala wa gbe.
Tell me iye go we okuni meri de no e de bu wa eva.
Kedele no gbe ona no ma ge lari account.
Oni wa down e ho. Ki ye go na. Kuwe dono ididi uwa eva odion
wa ne ye go ne fancy
be ni ye go kwoda fun efo na me na ya mari yen ba ogogo yen ga yun
o ga yonge
o ga ss grammar egbo ga igbiyan ni ati gbiyan ss grammar
o ga age is number age na number
no na gbe me mari na ni ona ga
age na ga old age
edede we na duro sika no ye kata sojo no Italy ya ria duro we Germany na gbe 9 years abi 8 years ba duro us when I don't expect me na duro no they come my phone not my friend my sister you are just joking no ya degebe ni ya de demonic here o tin ige endurance no we a big star a small star o ni yen wi yen ya you ya we wedding in Lagos on have a picture here ya ki fake account on a yenye gbaliyan on a edit e on a yenye gbaliyan on a edit na vie boyan yan on ya ki fake account opera Spanish cyberspace opera Spanish cyberspace two account you don't know two ye my own Facebook ni merie ni email password ni merie on a ye Facebook me ya ki two accounts no ya comment no ya gbe no ya comment here Emery Edosi we start going to do that period as demonic as this family.
Una innocent
children. You see as they take demonic. Ima only go wa go see them based on see idoto obuwa. All right now, ya expose we family we. ya expose wa. Or who we ya away a court marriage in Lagos. No make na muwe adie bejo.
Yeah.
Na make na muwe adie bejo. To gele we won you because of a wonu lie we bu. No do solve a problem of bonoro woni so ni ati nebo ti pa. Ni ye go ze 0 to 0 kun yiwe be ko onisama yegin onisa yegin ame. E pa ma pa o ma lawe. You can't use the woman 5 children picture. Take create fake account. Use snake, cobra, tie them. The other one use juju picture, tie them. Use that create fake account. Take the bully their mama for comment section. And their mother don't know say na big star. Na do one. The same man will use the woman to go do marriage for Lagos. Because marriage not go well. Now, the man use fake account, use the Meriedos 5 children, create fake account, then they bully Meriedos for comment section. I use hand to cover my eye, they look, I don't want to talk.
He didn't go away, my love. He didn't go away, we no way. Cause
I just they look, I just sit down, they look like logo said boost because why? I go buy land for the wrong person hand.
You tell me why buy land didn't know what service here can. I don't tell you.
But that house.
I don't tell you say.
No, we are one in there. You are one for near lava.
You know when I lava because I don't see everything. Now you know what? Who if you well lava at all? I don't tell you. I tell you right from time. Say you can never step your leg for that house.
Because the way this woman, now this Meriedo's own can open my eye clearly, fully. I can't know who Mama I go with the brother B. Okay, me do see set. And not the one on ye go king. Ye go no mina. Dan. Ye go. Susu no kilo no jilawa. Kinye continue no endurance. Also yeah, a life ina. It can work clean. Osalo God bless you.
Yes.
You understand? No matter the plans of the evil against you, it will never come to pass. As far as your heart is clean.
Yes. Because a clean mind is hallelujah.
I use my clean mind, follow this idiot. This fool and the family. I dey spend my money for them. Without I know they take 1 penny. Many of them don't know. This social media when they say, Frank, I make money, I make bastard money for this social media. 2021, 22. 23, don't go pour out. As the money they call like this, I know they look back. Now me giving brother go ahead. I take the brother as my own junior brother. See, big star alpha. Money they tell you I can't not be say come on, you they build that sweat for me. You know go the flex so just they enjoy yourself normal level. If you want cruise time, no level. You understand? I just give her that liberty. Say just feel free, feel like as your brother. They John, you build house for your brother, you know. They do the thing with your own heart. No level. Really, this guy really work. Forget the first maybe Sagade. This guy was really doing it well. Sometimes we just I don't even say I don't even first send the house. The little way I use my phone and picture pia. You don't do this one. Before I don't do that, we don't do fast. You don't talk of to do fast. You say how you want me to do the house. That's okay, see I want this. I send out the roofing where I need.
Oh, where another one.
I send out the roofing. As I send out the roofing, but it's okay. When they go buy the aluminium, you buy everything. They do the roofing. They do everything. As they do and they go, you say the POP, the parapet. The parapet come burst. Parapet break. They need to redo parapet. It go down one again. It's okay. No level. You know I want to see money. So no worry. I send money go give me. You understand? I still because now in fault, don't worry, forget. If not my fault, because I'm going to see my money do. What's the level? Forget that. Not using that kind of thing. But I say money come again. Let's do everything. Roofing starts bam. The next thing, they don't start to do put gates. He put this the protector for the whole window with the whole house, the 3 flat. Protector. After protector, he start plaster inside all the 3 flats. Plaster everything, dresser. He put iron doors. in and out of the whole 3 flats. Put on door. Okay, after we'll do POP. You see, you know, bros, we'll post of POPs first. We'll do the fancy round. We'll do the fancy. First, we'll come do the grid. We'll grid the road. Me and your grade the road. If I grade the road now, let me go put some board. Let me go come be the first person way get the street. I said no, you have to do fancy first. You understand? So the thing they go like that, like I just get that belief on the guys say no level. Don't be to say I call the guys. Let me buy car for the now the guy let me go buy car for Lagos. Drive the car go straight to Benin, go my pa house, hand over the car to my pa. You understand? It was say I want me to give my pa the document of the house. I for say make he give my pa the document of the house, of course. I just want to do my own things privately. You dey feel me so? This useless woman when they call it come out, they won't come out with idea because of say my wife Sagara. The major part of this whole story say because of say my wife Saga this idiot.
You be saying that she fair come out come Saga me
she don't insult my wife rather 3 times for this social media. Which me I will comfort her, tell her I will beg her not to insult my wife again because my wife not dey happy about it. The way they insult her for social media. You understand? Like say she my mother. I just give her that respect because say I buy land for her hand.
They don't want to respect her, my love. You
understand?
They don't want to respect her.
She begin to misbehave. When she can't even forget say me I know all everything about her. All her adulterous issue, everything, I know everything. But I just keep quiet because I buy land for this woman hand. I want to expose this woman. I want to saga this woman. That way if I hold adulterous issue and they tear their chest because I don't look bad because all these useless women, we don't get shame. They go to teach you to make the verse. She go to come me for his house. They tell me say, Sienna, and on the build this one again, there be woman now something they make them they commit adulterous. See the point which they was giving for his house. She go tell me say, me all this woman will be the beat so me no say now something they make them they commit adulterous. Is it that they are happy in their marriage? That's why they go to commit adulterous. Say, what are you saying? You a Benin woman. On several occasions with this woman they was coming indoor. Go the woman they stop that adulterous issue. Maybe when they talk about it. The next thing this woman go do, if I dey saga adulterous, she can come out for content. It's not her own content too. She can take an excuse for me say, I beg, nothing will happen. So I see they beat adulterous woman. Me want to beat the men. I want to talk about the reason why those women they commit adulterous or men not they try. Now I say suit yourself. Now I say suit yourself. Now you know concern me. You understand? This useless evil woman. Oh, he makes that guy in. Mena ladia. Mena no support her. Yes, I support my wife. 100%.
You know, to what you out of jealousy.
No, I support her 100% will give you that blast thought and ne saga. Ogili wa gbo ye.
Umata mama one day where who fall in love with no banana me make na I don't even know anything. You know gbo ya me wa ba. Una mo ya ma zemu mo so we gile mu we wo mu ri agbon. We gile mu re. When we gile. We no deve. We no almost 60 years.
We na ta go.
We me dede me ki. Ya se bo dio nu record re vedere. Eso de no me go na we ime go na ya mare dede. Ki me ko we do na dede je go. Go na be ame ya awe yo.
Ozo.
Nu gbe o agbon. Like Boris.
Very Boris your woman.
Ava be you.
Ava be you. Awobola Imalo. What is you want to talk? What do you want to talk right now for you? I can reply you. If you get my number, if you call my number. If you have my number, you can call my number. If you have anything to say here, you can write it there. I will reply you immediately. Yes, of course. This woman, I did Germany when this woman dashed me a piece of land. That land was mentioned 30 feet by 120 feet longer. You understand? Then I started building, and my brother build down. He said your brother will help me build down Trust say no shaking brother go help me build that. Really, brother really started to build the house. I started brother send me the account. I started to send money to the brother's account. So the brother started building, started molding blocks from scratch. You understand? I greet you, Stanley. So in brother started building that house from the scratch. You understand? From the molding, everything, the clearing, the burning of the bush, the foundation, the plants, and everything. For the math, the guy already started the build. Okay. As the guy they build the house, the guy they always go decide to build the house, you know. I see this distance for where the guy did for Lagos, they go decide if that kind of thing. So we just did group call. Me, the brother, and she. The three of us was on group call. We just discussing, talking about the land. Then the guy comes here. Well, they quit they go decide because you go look for cab. We go carry and go, and if you want to come out for the size, you go still need to call cab, we go call pick and all those things, expenses, all those kind of stuff. So I don't talk. After the guy don't talk finish, then I can call this woman. I call her and say, make you not tell your brother, oh, I want to surprise your brother. I can't call her this little prego, this useless woman. So I call her and say, I want to surprise him brother, make you not call him brother, make you just go your between them and say, I say I want back up for your brother. At least I get 5 million where somebody dash me. I want to surprise the brother for it. I want to use 2 million back up for the brother. I say, yeah. The woman was happy. So I can't call the brother. I say, okay, I better help me find better car. We say deal okay. At least car we go worth like 2 million. You understand? That is car we say if you don't see for Lagos worth like 2 million. For real. The guy really find better Camry. Camry big for nothing. Find big for nothing Camry. That big for nothing or end of discussion. So one of the two Camry that I find. Where the guy buy. Black. So now that the guy say, Alpha, that car, register them with your name. Now your car. There was so shock. I said, brother, I said, not truth. Now your own.
I'm going to then I like we both.
Understand? Now so the guy can do the appeal. Because the girl a musician. The guy can't sing song, come for me. So the guy has to sell for that. That's very funny. So now so we they leave the girl. When I see the building occupied the space. There was no space for the house. Only small parking space. That's okay. See the land, big nice estate. And the first place we don't build for the land. For the so-called estate where you so about 10 plots of land. Which is back for the village, for the community hand. So nothing was okay. I want to build swimming pool. I'll build swimming pool. I'll build the parking space. I'll get parking space. I'll still get bush bar for the compound. So I need more space. Make it sell on that plot of land for me. Because okay, say I will pay, no problem, I will pay. How much? Because of the one way you say for me, when you dash me so. Now 300k dash me that one. But if you want to sell now because the place doesn't open eye. Waiting never 4 months so. You say the place doesn't open eye. Now so can no problem. How much you want to sell for me? Call it laugh. So can I go bring 400 now so can no shake me. When the right receipt put, I'll send money for your brother account. Don't say okay. I got the money for a brother account, which is a big star. Big star can come once. You can go write the receipt come from the community hand. Where she for buy the land. Minister come tell me say they will demand for money for enhance yeah. The community people. Person won't write the receipt, demand money. Now so big that write the receipt come for me. Snap the receipt. Send that for me. Send the house document. The deed of the transfer, everything. All of the ladies phone. Send it off come for me. Now these people they do with me. Because a big star holy people. I go send person come very good. I go send person come. Me can collect the paper for our hand. Where that's the bra hand. And so we take the whole system. When the whole thing come, the whole scenario come start. Immediately I got married. Bam. Where the whole problem start from. Immediately I got married. Bish, everywhere bust. Wahala start. Abi will raise a problem which I left her. This also waiting for Paris, waiting for Bordeaux. You always throw this word at they don't collect my land, they don't collect my house, they don't collect my house. Each time they do live video. I just sit down and press person. Then this time when I see the same money going to give this guy, you do for the house. This you know they do it for the house again. Before, even though 50,000 naira. Now I say go give that guy. That guy must send me proof. What do you use that money do? This time I go send 200K. No level. If I come and go say travel. If I come and go say ready for. The only excuse you're gonna give me. After my marriage, March, April, May, that May or June, I can't send out 1 million. Up till now. This guy collect 1 million, he don't do anything for the house. He know they pick my call again. This guy they pick my call until Meriados we go to marry Matako cast. After I collect money finish, you go to money marry Meriados. This guy collect my money finish my hand. Use the money buy ticket from Meriados come Nigeria. Use my money marry Meriados.
No, don't marry Meriados. Before you send me 1 million.
After I don't marry Meriados finish now, this guy don't come to pick my call again. Me don't know where they go. When this what I can say between him and Meriados call me. And I'm why Meriados call me. Meriados gonna give me info. Meriados never come give advice to say, bro, that house. If at that house, me cannot just enter that house. You get why? I say, why is me I not enter the house where they be? Me I not enter. I say, which can I talk with this one?
Me say me not enter.
Now I'm paying. During that issue of Meriados, I can't call this guy. Thank God say I record them. One of the proof will do with me. Hey, when my baby look back. Go ask your brother. When your brother come with me and your brother talk. I record everything. Because I don't really know, say you people are evil. You people are what? Evil. Evil people. In Brazil, how they made me? Person will give control, say, I help me this woman do Facebook. You go use on the wedding. Voila. You want to arrange, you cannot arrange to Jonah. Okay. Bad guy. He comes to the marriage before people go post the marriage picture. He say where we go post in your marriage picture.
So that maybe that woman not see her now.
What are you offer?
You need that, no?
No, Divan. I say really say yes, sir. Voila. He say me no say get many women for abroad. We based on the work we they do. When they follow and they come see that picture on social media, you can cast. You can bust in code now. Say, okay. We lock up till today. This boy, right now, don't pick my call. You go read my message, you not go pick. If I call, I not go pick. I go call, this guy not go pick my call. The phone go hear the ring. And you not pick my call. Okay, let's assume say you not do where your phone did. You understand? You go see the missed call, you know, call back, no problem. Then you go see the message, you go even read the message. You know they call back. But now chill. I'm perfect now. Let me call the sister. Me, I say, I want to see my husband. Nice sister say because my wife saga her. Me can support my wife for that simple reason. He not sell land for me when we build that spot. In dash me land. Maybe come pay for the land. I all look, I all laugh. We get the talk area. You go man on soon. One. If you wear ya, you will look for ne. We wear ya. Or one when you bury where ya is. The one where you wear be. We here burying you one by one. Children will use your total bone. You go bury all of them with the house. Now me talking. You never know anything. If you know the person where you follow the D, no try yourself. If you know the kind of person where you follow, you see all those your nightmare dream where you dream. Where they talk say, I don't do agbe wason, I don't do agbe wafan. Ana maybe we do kill on our agbe wason, do agbe wafan. I not be that kind of person.
Me was saying I will be, I may have a be, I may will take be, I may will ye your be.
And disgrace way to the fullest. Yeah, you disgrace way ya bowawe in for I can answer you. I will disgrace you. I'll make sure say I use and build another house. As I saga other people where you and your brother chop. Now so me go use you and your family from the beginning to the end. Use and build another house for this social media. If me and you were creating content of it. You wear a boa
for better area. Me I tell you, egbo the golden go a 10 plot in who then
was it. Oh, we water Lagos. You go here do water.
Estate in who no one say 2 million at the lower and river.
House where they sell for 150. 150,000 for plot of land. One plot of land. You get 10 plots. They talk say you get estate.
Estate na my being up. You go back and say we provide in estate.
Yes, now.
Estate is your revenue show. Belo wale leya. Do ganya do mati. Immaterial.
Oh, you go when matika bo wade. You mistakenly bo wade. You want good.
Only just we know my degree say. O ma je 5 million we. Aja no e o when are we go no ya di moto no tion free ama you ya suma we ye go we frank jigo na o una rie 2 million we go with your clean mind una ya we jo bono tion do time there we one ya go no ya di moto just imagine
you know ogun
yo
aja na o majana mo be tinye we abi wa jigo me o ko make mo you understand. We go in. Maybe not the motor free of charge nothing. That one I can get as if say as the woman dash with that money. Then you can always persuade you say, friend, why they go go?
I have to write all the man.
After all the tally.
They make na make out.
Let us tally why they what making ya me go no ya when mo to no ball, mo to no ball. You know woman you go wa go woman na what you are why. Now you can put me through say afa. Come they give me format. What is the yes, nah. That's what I be. What that one I'm gonna.
Since 5 million, I don't buy where the bill.
That one I'm money miss road now.
This is go where I lie on board.
When you want to buy money, they go get on the gig every month. I be what they go. You go no. You have to send the gig over here. You yari right. You go yari right. What? I be what I send the gig. Obi ye go here away marriage 700,000. You was selling again. No, you have the bill and no, you marriage.
Yeah.
all the guys send you go ne mo hion do bo gbe wo wa me na me gi go bie me all you know say na Godmother na ye Godmother ya refon Godmother no gbade e go son na ye Godmother cover up ye haru ya oba be yiwa ye go enjoy the enjoyment wa go ka be yiwa wa sun we de boro wa wa bo la wa gbe gbore wa va be yiwa ave bileto prego no make it after many years in Europe, both prostitution and drug dealer and everything. See your life today.
Shame and disgrace.
Shame and disgrace no where. You better no move your way. You better Joromi. You go na ve.
Really could do a bit of you.
Eze yo.
We need way ga kele mu.
Mami dirty woman. Wo ko go ni amu na Germany ba. Am making of here. Idenue, thank God say you know say iye we so wa. Ago ino go so wa ye. O so wa ye ko ya mu. Wa video wa nu wa post e. Que so disgrace we. Just for the video you ask me you go post on first too. Because if I start to disgrace you, for me I not go use light to follow you do agato. Anyway, we do a my day so sagana we do atalo ogini. He meant that what you wear. No we borrow me go marry go no we married.
When you are married.
Can you imagine? Am I so saga? We so a gag yogine. I'm not the way about this man. I want to why I clear because now me and you know ourselves. You collect what to from my hand.
You think they ring my ear?
I will not go on someone here now. You know the story now. You go know me now. Ah, don't be your godson. You don't forget that.
You know, when small girl can marry, yeah, support you. You go when that baby day.
Me oh, he want to take me man. When we get one azul, you know how we forget that. Forget that.
Yeah. On a live video, Robbie, oh, figure program. Man, never hear my boy walk on. I'm a no wrong. Get out of me.
Yeah, no, it's just. Are we marrying a page mail that's admin? My work can do it.
You are a silver wire. You are a babari.
Ozua.
Way,
my people. Way. Oh, way. I got a video. I need video. Oh, way, no, will I even know?
Yeah, go say who will the admit it. Give a fast of here. But not do I mean, I go here. Menu, Juliet, and now you know how I worry, Mamma. I go a show, eh? Emma, come away. Then my work back to go. Let's say, where I go. Ina bete be go a show so no ma be show I say 1 week abi 2 weeks ike bege bu kwa indirect yaro be mege emi donkin un dan susu no kiro no jilawa e wo bi dan o egile no mu egile adie webo
me igbiyan ni yaro le boyan
be ya aka na bo ge wi de be bo wi nu ya aka bodo ya take no bi e
why active why you commit adultery you we just call them now, make they confess your sin to them before I go call use my mouth talk. Before I go bust everywhere now, just they call them. Use your mouth, take go they confess.
Cover anything.
If you dance, if you like, you dance nothing next year.
Dance na yari who why depression agboa.
It's like go. It's like go. Go. A shame and disgrace in your joy. The day me hear those disgrace way.
Why they go bono no ya go no nia. Unless you go my van because once we go you give me woman go give me mo finish.
Don't go the way. Even no me or how you.
Mo finish the talk.
So if you feel come once, you know come my wife. 9% of that bad anything.
My
so wow. If you change your my mama. Why? Why you my back with you?
If you see my back, no easy boy.
Yeah, give boy.
Ima ye ta bo ma ye ata ya ye scold. School we no do ya boy awe. If you maybe go awe say we na go do mama for 1 month he wo.
E ba bi ro pa.
Ah o wa mo. Igbi agadan ashawo adulterous woman.
Yeah, you ma yodi, must one right.
That's what right.
My grandma post. My grandma post.
I'm a picture with a suit way.
Yes, now with your good suit. Like me, rock. All of them, they pay. Writing and posting. You write your post with picture. You write your post with picture. I go see expose you. Expose me, I don't expose you. No, turn on me page. No, strike a page. At the end, nafa. I am my page and I boo. I page and I disgrace you now. Or gonna go back again. Yeah, disgrace you to the fullest. Watch this video to this time. I'm gonna get my boy with 10,000 watch it. Also, mega. C'est mega idiot.
On peut les faire qu'à quand il est là-bas. Nathalie, non, c'est
et même il
de nous là de mon avance si nous devons y aller nous devons saga mais de signer death warrant.
We going to carry saga. Mari player ni carry. And why do saga?
Obola ogbe.
We mu.
Nwe ga oweji. We you yari awa. No ka pa ke mai kame ilele. Egi de no ta wi ye go ne ne yoge. Oto aso wa. O tie. Oriari amo.
Awe pa ile verano mi sazua.
Verano mi sazua.
Verekia. Vere ya omikia.
Boda fon.
No wa mi na ya omikia. Eki a trust mo ka ya yewe.
Ah, boy.
Trust mo ne ki mo ne.
Edena.
Ya. Oni. E ma go.
Edena.
Evera. Egbe vera mena igbe aga me ku. Ashawo ayi you word o so you. Ah, pe go to mu dey every gland. Omu dey every evera. Egbe vera mena. My brother, I greet you. Latest updates. I must greet you. Wato. Guato. But guys, the vera social media. Man of the frank of here. Here we are fuck off. I want to come. One bo pay we million we. Yaro we frank.
Yeah, when they so say Bible can listen.
You supposed to your shoe who you bros. I mean carry your million to go. Why are respecting boy we are like since then the Monica will make no compared to your own adulterous. Monica adulterous, eh? Now Monica don't even do any adulterous compared to Mama go adulterous. Monica don't even get Monica don't even be adulterous for where ye go dey. Ye go adulterous now extraordinary adulterous. When they say person legitimate adulterous, international adulterous. Odo agun abi live video. Odo run reku. Ikwegele mu asawo sha. Asawo no ligation. And this year go now for the now me they call the ashi wele.
Brother do fiege me o.
Sister ga bolo o.
Fiege me gagiri wa me.
Ah
fiege me gagiri wa me o. Umewa do fiege me o.
Sister ga fiege we, Godson do fiege me. Godmother ga fiege we, Godson do fiege me. Godmother ga fiege we. Ah baba, fiege wa me. Fiege me, wa me. Ah fiege.
De dan, na ye fiege.
De gbe wan mek o menwa gbe wan mekwa.
Yo vivia menu kumerie jo.
Gbe wan mekwa mo. Gbe wan mekwa bo ibe gbe wan mekwa o. No mo me gbe wan mekwa e. ọmọ gbẹgbẹ wa mẹkọ yìí.
ẹsẹ̀ wẹ́rí gbọ́ ẹ.
Ọ̀yọ́ bàbá.
ẹsẹ̀ wẹ́rí gbọ́ ẹ.
Ìyọ́ bàbá.
Ìjọba ọ̀nà owó lẹ́dọ̀. Ìjọba ọ̀nà owó níyà. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ni agbókè àwọn ẹ̀yọ. Òun yẹ àmọ́ mi ní àwọn àmà. Ìsàpá náà wà láyà yà gbélé láyà. Ìjọba ọ̀nà owó níyà. Àmì ẹni condemn iron.
Condemn pickles.
Iye go no condemn. Náà wọ́n tẹ́wé ẹ̀pẹ̀. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀ o. Ìjọba ọ̀nà láìgbé. Ẹsẹ̀ wọ́n ra gbò yẹ.
Ọwọ́ yẹn wí wa.
Ẹsẹ̀ wọ́n ra gbò ẹ̀.
Ọwọ́ yẹn wí wa.
Àmì náà gbèwọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́. Àmì that's last àmì náà gbèwọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́. Wọ́n gbégbá mi kókè àwọn.
Ọwọ́ yẹn wí wa. Ọwọ́ yẹn wí wa. N'o sungu de ne roga Vera. Vera no sungu. Vera. Vere kia no hoa.
Is it easy to the gbamekwa?
Vere kia no sungu.
When baba ya la wa ya gbe na je tu wa amaye mi no gbe amekwa na. Wa ya be ya gba lo be ne because one way close.
Ibi bodo kine wa de kemu da salofa. Yego over dagbe.
One way close.
Yego egwa aro. Wa mo video call gba. Ibi bodo kine wa weekend la.
Oh, I was saying. Oh, what I was saying. Oh, he will go to war. He will go to.
Yeah, I will tell you. Ah, baby. How you doing? Baby. How you doing? Hey, can I bog? Oh, baby, now you go with that.
Oh, you want to hear follow up.
Vera. Eu vou a dar, Vera, vou a dar. Veja. Ai,
Amia ni junior rohoi iya na be wana be la jama kwe ada fo na ati adulterous abokan na ade ba ata ibabokan la wa gbe ya asun wa asun one by one because again jo tina na arobi ogi ame ka ogi ame ge uhe gweji emure eyin mi ma gbu wa owa na ava bu wa ya wa
na ava bian ro
wa ga ho we na table no gi ame
especially ye jo no ho
megi o ma gbon ni oni etu ni egbo ma be di oni omo ni awo page school yen ma mu e laja ni me we gbegu ye jo egbon omo ni awo ye jo e bi eyin iye jo ma na mu mo ni laja ne igwe de gbe emi na te ye jo we gbe la mu
o ma mi pa
Opa no we
beat me.
Oh, please, mom, don't beat me.
Mommy, don't beat me.
You always beat me.
Yes, I love you.
Or when you walk, always walking. You don't have chance for me, mommy. You know, go inside. Away, no, I don't want to go inside. Please, mommy, don't beat me away. No, I won't beat you away. No. Oh, you always beat me.
No, because you always beat me.
I don't know what go here na black and blue. Maybe they go to.
I'm back on what they there.
No,
nínú kòbí ẹ kọ̀dà fún mẹ́rin ọ̀díọ́.
Oni na mebe to wait me abe to wure la video ni agwe ni gwa egwu ya gwa because ya wa we ro yo ga keke na de ma be de ne wa we woki abe do ro mi ya na we ye ke vi ve sun ro vi na ro vi ri ya o de ba da fun esa ga ma u wa kan sun because wa bege ni aba bo ya sun
we ya ro vi me ai go gian
o we ga ila
ya sa ya ale fakite bonuko ni ya ma sun go de ro wa
kia ni zuo be TikTok gbe so ni me mi abo kan ma na stop abo kan ma na e we de isa ga iku abo kan bi ade bai e go abo kan me ke abo kan la wa gbe ko si an ro bi me wa han wa bege ni ye go na ya o wa ke do ade me e be gu ye go gwon oda for me no be mu ye go as go mother o e be to saga ye go no wa na ge ole bileto prego vitali oye do saga de donado la donado ala donado aheyere oh you do iye Kevin ofoni ikama we three wise men eyan send igwe when I got third one three wise men igwa kame frankie iyan na we yan do destroy life we
where the three wise men where abiyewa iyego abiyewa we yego oga the two evil women
ko so wona wo pagaro
okpa ni wo ga mabo oni na ga we e me yamugo yon
you see
the two of them now they are not the one teaming up to fight against me
you see
me no ya ti gorian yes emi agwo waiva wa be wa inya you go mu be obi wa no me go ni oni ve yore abe wa go we fun ya umairi go ne wi no ho umairi go ne wi no saka abe wa ba bohian la ju egbe ijwe no ho ni wa po na pie ki ogodo ni ga bohian la egbe ko ke 20 ko no ho or 20 no ko no zuwa no America no wa ko bebe no yin doctor no zuwa we no wa ho we no tun igo ya wo ni gbe When the coronavirus you say una we coronavirus. Una we coronavirus you no we coronavirus otuna ya ogene gbeko ozuru mako. Otuna you go be hotel mogo idiot. Wa asungu. Idenwe ya gbe family for the beginning to the end. Mota. But then where a picture where they don't wear that Jennifer no we be. But they don't go picture that. Ya low effort. By me you will regret why you know men. Kakaboy you go na be our zone le here. Only no wa no kan use wo. Obi a dey platform we no comment. It will have here. These people are so stupid. Yes, if Facebook it was. We have TikTok we no comment TikTok. He's a fool. Also, yare no bana onto see only document. Oya o gan document. Odo agume go live video. Iri bizu gbe no zuwa.
Ibizu gbe no document.
Ibizu gbe no get document. Ibizu gbe dey call it insult for social media. Ibizu gbe no get document for France.
The government in
Ibizu gbe ne ebe wune eyagi be. Ibizu gbe ti dey be no.
Bizu gbe gbo kan de gbe en to bo kan.
Ibizu gbe gbo kan ban o boy ru lo de la de wo wa. Ibizu gbe if you had to understand. Ibizu gbe na lost the document. Ibizu gbe na lost one. A squat Ibizu gbe stay yi. O wa na abandon de France. Ibizu gbe hen uta. Ibizu gbe ti do wa. Ije mi sa lo wa. Ibizu gbe kia. Iya gbo je. On to say Amalawa part 1 and 2. Ah, wadin. Ibizu gbe no get house. Ibizu gbe lost house for France. Document they collect document for. Ibizu gbe no get paper. You know what I mean? Me na ma di okay. Me na ma di. Ibizu gbe no pay 15. You don't feel the pay. Emi ya ta social media.
Egbegbe aregbe viriri.
Awa aregbe viriri social media na my guy. Ero wa gudara. Level my guy. Well, sir. You see why? But my dege a little pregnant. We would be by Ebila America. Emily side of America. Only the bell of America. A girl wife above.
There's if you look by my day, you know North America because man North America, North America, man, you know no money, my day coming. Mamie bilieto prego, nano doso bove me. Bilieto prego. Hey, what are you, Jack? Babe, be men or waro, be me. O be men or waro, wo wado so bove me. When o waro, me my day, me pani me way. Do da fomo give job we do kama me je Kevin te ori do ubo ulo ware.
Exactly.
Ite be ja ma kha that time. Igi be ja ma kha na because why ma. Mate be ja ma kha. Yo ta no. Mate be ja ma kha.
Manya ma kha.
Igi ja ma kha.
Ito na gbe ya make na ya make.
No no te be si ya bo. Ma ina we because na do ama no se lo ama. You
were very generous.
I was very generous. Abi mafido ke reyana do record yana we ando wado mu. Wado go mak bobo wana wa pe suru abo.
Do go mai.
Wado go mai. Eti ano.
Because you know that your husband is a God sent. God sent foundation.
Again na igi ku anybody really me man do via where we with social media. Anybody need me na any picture need me awari ela da pai.
Do vago.
Ije me o. Ya me wa me kasaga ni isi ani keni agbe.
Ano pa bibi no bibi. Ano pa bibi no bibi. Agbe saga wa o.
Ani me de ka me wa eta ni ha o.
Go saga wa o.
Gima wa so saga agbe na.
Ezo gbo ma ze yin.
Ije me ri ono. O gbelian o.
Not the top of the country.
Yeah, I bet you were born.
I'm making you born. My crochet me tiare na bona.
Crochet, udo subu. Bomega wa we, crochet.
Wo you ba.
Okay.
No call no
I give the vibes. Bomega wa. Well, the crochet wa like ya.
I want you to
Unless even yeah, but make our way.
No way, must do my.
Eh?
No way, must do my.
The guy so doing.
Wow. It's not better you know. It's not better you
Guy so doing. The guy face ye go ni me wa na na. Ye go no ni me wa na. Ye go na se ola. Ye go no ye kai ye go show example so that ave crush me do e. Go bo ave adi ya. Because ye go no waro na me kai wa deal with na.
Ye go se crushy. Crushy.
Ye go na wala dia.
No we did.
No wa ti me. E dede no we wo mu kia. Me no mu we gwa na mu go yi we wo. We no we gile. You na say we je show. We ma so we gile maga. We na mu we go ye. We ma am had to we say 3 months. Ala mu go jo. We gile. Ama no mo tunu we aro. Ala say we je show. We ma so we gile. Ai we neru na mo we me do. We love you.
I will go you where we will.
What is that?
It's not better you have one head. When I you're a big lady. I want you to talk.
I got a big old.
You're a would have balance.
You know, you go, you kill a water, water there.
I want you to talk. Open leg university. Where
not your hair? Oh, God, no way, walking me. Your God.
I am with Gillen and Regbin. Expired drug.
We're Gillen, I'm here. No, Regbin, I can't. When you go get it, they are general. Oh, you're gone now, you're poor.
Go thank God for your life, God. Thank God for your life. I see you quit wrong.
This one for buy you.
This woman na die minutes a day. Demonic woman. You know, say this woman where you born for you, so you don't know like that. I don't go back with her because this woman, if you look the time when you go today prison, 6 years for prison, prison. So which time you understand the woman? You don't understand the woman. The woman is a very demonic woman. And you go
now you go even they do juju say when they take they put the man for the prison.
And you go meet the man they go side, he give you belly. You go born for a back.
As everything this as we say the man first go inside for the first time carry money come out. He still send the man go back again, still go work, bring money come out. No. You got gear.
Very useless woman. On no babe. On no godega. Very demonic sort of family. The family are very useless.
Oh, la dame come do gbe. Oh boy, so to we so to.
No, we know what he pay me for inside. Now, Papa go na the pity. Papa go no know Mama go family. If you know Vera Osazuwa family, you not go marry this woman.
No Vera,
a family no support or senior no return the bride price. Then they support their sister, may return bride price. Then they look Papa go like a wizard.
What is the one for the man? They never collect them. Even I need the old boy.
If you give big star gun, you not go look back for a go shoot Papa go.
You see me.
In Yegba or Yiki. Okay, the boy Chiga. There they go. The way that boy they hit Papa going.
You see?
Jesus.
The way that
boy they hit Papa go, big star. That's what you're doing also. The way they hit Papa go. The rest of that people who they listen to Papa go small. But you see big star. Yeah, Papa go na Katara, they don't do to that. You dey my house. You dey in house, so you don't agree the man. They don't agree. They don't agree. Insist that they support them.
If you go back and give you the man, where you go give you that right because say Benin people no go.
Tell me how this kind of Igbo man go fit talk say Benin good. With what this man don't see for his family hand, how he go take open mouth talk say Benin people good. if this man sit down for crowd today, they talk say, if you are doing man, be not good, they go to say, why you go talk say be not good? Now, what the person see for life, then they talk. Because what this family do to this man now? How can you imagine? Man will make you be. You do a show for something for many years, nothing build us. This woman do a show for many years, nothing build us. Put him mama for house. At the end of the day, you meet Igbo man, we will say the man a popular person for Rome. Different car the man they drive for Rome when this woman meet this man. Well, no, he frustrate the man life. He ruled the man life.
Another, because they ask me,
the same man I remove this woman for road walk. Papa I go now remove Vera for a shower walk.
Because they ask me, where are the one of the universe? The one of the universe. Where?
Is your girlfriend? You sure say you don't do for exercise?
Na bini you go take here. Do it at home. Na bini you go take here that one.
You too good. Understand?
Bini people good, but some of them like Mama Ego.
Bini good. No, you don't see this like this. You see what this woman now. You know, if you be from that tribe, you see what this kind of woman do. You know, fear Bini.
Yeah, we know. Or why? You know, Mama, the mother to be what I go, because who going in the year woman.
You know what? You know what? Big. I would have been bad and now. The man don't come out now. You want to start to do saga. Monica, come on, Monica.
If anybody come out,
come for that person. Now say you be careful. Everywhere I listen to saga not be your mate too. Now you not do okay, you get BP.
When she come out now. Come and make one do saga.
He does saga, I don't know go to dance.
Go to dance.
Go to dance with him.
No better e dance ni me do dance again na saga era bi jouer. Na do dance, una we ya ka. Na do dance.
You see this life? He dey wait say, if anybody come for you, come for the pussy. Anybody come for and say, nah, you go, why echo, saga my head, I'll give you a car. And then I have to tell you, I will saga te. You go, I will saga, eh? Oh, Bamemo. Well, like, or if you like video. You know, yeah, when you want to talk on your echo, you go, what they give.
Our body language say me, what you were better if I were about when about Ladia, wherever Ladia. Like how we my Ladia, Ladia. Ah, so what more bell.
You man, you don't know what's a gun.
Although I be VDM my son. Now, where may it be bomb of no
Only back by my guy. Hey, your boy.
Qui est que me lo gbe no re papillona que no gbase.
Emi lo gbe no.
I call it heavy on here. Emi lo de wire. Papillona.
Wala. Ya imi wa yopa. O chenege latest update la wo. Ya imi wa yopa latest update we are beg because you we see ke papillona. Give me bawo papillona latest update la wo. Ya iwa di we bed na. Iwa imi we. La gume ka me owo kan we. Owo no ma wa gbon. We no allow. This thing I send you go get work and latest update now you are to send this message go give so. If we go send you money, may you help us give your wife. May you help us go papillona. May you go lose mommy let akpiko leads. Hair. May you go lose her hair. It the head on. It only talk back been in 2 months of banana.
Oh, so why don't you say your 3 years?
2 months of banana.
I go be like that way. You like it. Why me topic no work way. Even when don't you tell when you are right, you love me. Ya gbo ide topic no can work way. Isi no mo na ko ye o, you walk oh. That small boy dey Italy still love me oh. He say I never lose my hair. Wetin go concern my hair.
2 months. Since October. 2 months of work banana to marry to. He told you atawe. I me dog in we. I me dog in we. Mama go for. Mumu let take your lead. We be right to. It only tango. Oh, you bogwa.
Oh my, appointment. This on my appointment.
Oh, you bogwa.
Appointment.
We might get in our doing. When I wait to now, he's all over.
That video where she take on, I want to look for that video. That one.
She did say please boss. No, I'm not gonna smile.
People go they tell her say, Mama, I say, oh wait, Mama, you too they bleach. Me, you know they bleach your body. You don't even make up. Wait, no, I don't make up. Oh, where are my journey? Where they go? Go the lick what?
I don't know.
I came kind a border na kwa.
Okay, Frank. Okay, cross the border. Can't even go. How can you fuck my?
Only why that thing they do like this? Anybody will call chop this your bola. He must go call. He must discharge them for water.
Yeah, cross the border. A border freak is very it's risky.
Who still get locked to carry a pass border? If you reach border, if you just cross border small, you don't reach 1 week.
If I were like me. And the booyah cross the border. Ni mo ni ro ya cross the border successfully. You enjoy on island.
Ikpa adano.
I know. What you make me know?
I tell you say mama.
Yeah, they saw a video. Yeah, dog in a revive. It's the tango, let them revive. Therefore, revive, sir.
Oh, he's a lobo. I care about one and know where they know what I want to.
What's your worst mistake? The worst mistake is paying from it. Francomoso. The worst mistake I've ever done in my life is not a muzzle.
Wait, yeah, wait. I go, I got Tony. The mistake in Wari I made in life. Oh, we're dating from it. Oh, wait.
Madam, good afternoon. Madam, good afternoon. Please, can you tell us what is the worst mistake you have ever done in your life since you have been abroad?
Oh, wait, let me think about it. Oh, wait, one guy, dating one guy. Oh, one popular guy in a those cyberspace. Oh, which advice do you have for people, for young women like you? Or whenever you date, oh, any life you don't talk at him, don't say
okay. What is one of the craziest things you have ever done for me?
You would know. Any life you don't talk at him, like you don't ever in your life, even your generation to come. Why can't you? Because why?
Why did you say?
Oh, so they follow it. So we know. We do work. So we also our name here. Mommy, let us click on it.
Okay. I swear to God.
Hey, Becky, one of sister was disgraced anybody for marriage day. I'm a amigo one of UK. My name is Rose, one of UK.
No, America.
America. Women over here.
Yeah, Bugbido.
You got so many way. How you are right, my sister.
Why, man, I can ask you a question.
You are free. You are very free, sir.
Why is that guy disgraced all these women?
I don't know.
But you have the experience. Why was he disgracing you?
Well, I don't know. Maybe it's because of it. I don't know. It's not you. I'm not. It's not only me. Let me mention names. One of Papidonia, the other one of Nenemi, the other one of Nenemi, the other one. I don't know, sir.
When you were dating this guy?
Oh, the guy is very nice.
Do you love him?
Oh, the guy is very nice. The guy will promise you every night. After the guy don't shout, he don't summer Congo.
How many times this guy sleep with you?
For me, once, oh, no, only 1 week, 7 days. Me was 7 days. I wanted to go back. He said no. He said second tunnel. He said second going key go like with him go back. He said second going key go back. So I decided to stay at home.
Why is it only once? Is that your tea is not sweet?
No, I don't know. My tea is sweet too. Only for the guy, this is not sweet for the guy. I don't know.
But I also heard that the guy said you people used to be the first person to come out on live video and disgrace him. Why?
It's because the guy will be using indirect. If you make PM, the guy will be saying, if you make PM. I will say, okay, let me come and disgrace myself before the guy come and disgrace me. Because if this guy disgrace you, the shame and disgrace is number 1. It's better I come out to disgrace myself before the guy will come out for you.
Okay. Now you are not the Papillona. Good evening, ma.
The Papillona?
Yeah. Good evening, ma.
Hello.
We heard that you have an issue with your boyfriend who lives in Italy.
Which boyfriend?
This guy that normally do live video, they call it a main one.
I beg, that one a person.
The guy say you give him a doggy.
No doggy. If I give that one doggy, that one will not be alive today. If I ever give that guy doggy for what? Who is doggy?
But madam, you go to your house.
I did not go. I went to deliver him.
Are you a pastor?
Yes, so I went to deliver him. That guy is a demon.
When you were delivering, he was in the bed.
It was in the bed. One old woman came out from his belly. Came out from his body.
Oh, you were delivering him in his bedroom.
In his bedroom.
Inside his bed.
Inside his bed.
And you sleep there.
No, yes, so I slept there. I went for a mission.
Yeah.
Yes, so I was there for a mission. Yeah.
But you do the thing.
Do what? Do what? I did not do anything. No, God forbid. Nah, lie. I did not do anything.
For the first time you go, you don't do anything.
I went for a mission.
Okay, so second time come.
My second mission. Everything was mission.
I also heard that you are still going for the third time.
I wanted to go for the third time to go and finish the thing.
The third mission. You are a missionary woman.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I did not do anything. That's one boy for what?
The boy said that you don't know how to cook. Is it true?
Cook for who? That small boy. Me go and cook for that guy? No, now.
You want to cook for him?
No.
And the boy said that you gave him doggy.
Which doggy? That guy can't lie.
But the boy also showed the video where you were sleeping and snoring. After the boy don't knock you down.
I was supposed to sleep now. I was just sleeping.
And you were snoring?
Yes, sir.
How were you snoring?
I was saying I was delivering that guy. That guy, Timo, that guy is very strong. A whole day, pray. That guy is too strong, eh? You see the old woman that came out from that guy. Jesus.
The guy said that you have a body odor. Is it true?
Body odor. That guy, I said that guy is mentally that problem. That boy.
Okay, you mean you don't have body odor?
Body odor, okay. Let me hear you now. No, madam, no. Go.
No, don't worry. Just stay that side. So you mean you don't have body odor?
I don't have body odor.
No,
now.
The guy said that you wanted to give him.
Don't listen to that guy.
His son, your daughter, and you never take your daughter. Why do you overtake your daughter?
Am I stupid to give my son to that guy?
Your daughter.
My daughter to that guy. My daughter that is a lawyer. My daughter that is a graduate. Go and give to that who would I even call that guy safe? That talkative boy. No, now.
And we also heard that the boy said that you said you are going to take it to you are taking this issue legal process.
I said no, I don't even want to spend my money on that guy. Why would I spend my money on that guy? No, now.
But what we are hearing that you said that you're going to take the issue legal process. If the guy posts any video, you're going to take legal process.
I just said let me leave the guy because the guy was. I just said okay, let me just leave the guy because I don't want to spend money on that guy. That was the reason.
And the guy also let us understand that you said that the issue of Ogionba, nobody can distract you. But madam, why are you distracted now?
No, we are still on it.
You're not talking about Ogionba again.
We are still on it secretly. We are on it. We are on it.
Your uncle,
My We are on it. We are on it.
You say you call Kotistubo. That Kotistubo is going to arrest the guy, the woman.
Yes, we are still on it.
So
we are
what,
still investigating. We are investigating.
Up to now, we are not headed to
We are still
Kotistubo.
investigating. We are investigating.
But you say you are from the palace.
Oh God, say we are investigating.
It's social media, right? Oh, you put me what? Oh, Rob, put me what? Even Ohuna to you. Ohuna Caro.
Wait, what? No. When you talk about all of that, and we were, eh? We know what's up, my boy.
A woman, if I want to know.
The doctor, one hour, I work me, one hour, something now, moving what
a woman, a prayer warrior done. Make a friend who, a man, friendly book, no pray on. We have a prayer to pray on. It's our life is the new one. May you ask what it no, holy, judge your right man. Holy, you can't do what to holy. Baby. It didn't ask me, baby. You know the word basse. I'm not a baby. You know, it's a low boy. Good dance.
We hear the name we were soundtracking or where they know that from now. A different soundtrack.
Soundtrack already didn't go away. How do you put them?
But we need the innovation. 2025, the innovation.
Innovation. They need to innovate this my brain.
That brain is too much.
So that it will not be combined with a day soundtrack anymore.
Mamma mia.
Every soundtrack of a day. Salabatikwa, Inada,
Fire,
Silicada,
Fire,
L'Equador,
Fire,
Inazada,
Fire,
Equador,
Fire,
Lebuski,
any soundtrack of Iego, Fire,
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 Iyegogo, Iyezozozo,
Lezulaza, yes.
Mumunet Ekiali,
Fire,
Mumunet Ekiali,
Fire,
on soundtrack from Mumunet Ekiali,
Amen.
Holy Ghost fire,
Fire,
Holy Ghost fire. If I be a man of God, I prophesy into my brain.
Yes.
Oh Lord Zoda,
Holy Spirit,
La Quadra, Ekia don. Nidra, Lavda. Remove the soundtrack of evil women from my brain.
Fire.
Oh God, my Father.
Fire.
My Father, my Maker.
Fire.
My Father, my Maker.
Fire.
As I begin to pray
with
the voice of thunder.
Amen.
Lasada. Soundtrack is disappearing.
Amen.
Soundtrack is disappearing.
Amen.
Holy Ghost fire.
Amen.
Lasada. We don't serve a dead God.
Yes.
We serve a mighty God.
Yes,
It's the same today. It's the same yesterday.
Yes.
When God say yes, no man can say no. Yes. When God stand for you, no man can bring it down. When God lift you up, no man can bring it down. God is on your side. Power is on your side. Favor is on your side. If you believe in inside fire, liquaqua, lizono, ekia don you hear? Do you hear what in the name of Jesus?
Amen.
It's not like Yakman. You mind your party?
Yakman. It's empty now.
Anyway, it's empty. It's empty.
Anyway, the guy have your way by now.
Yeah, it's not like you. It's not like Yakman. Okay, Mumula take care of me.
Only what to tell?
Only what be a bad. Only boy I have to live anyway. Ave didita. Il faut qu'on a mérité mais vous.
What if on ave the deal? I give me no marking 120 you.
Well,
you know remove my tax because you didn't the me you know remove my soundtrack. No, we'll talk away. You remove my own soundtrack.
It's not like where is soundtrack?
I don't get. Okay, now thank God.
It's not track.
What is it? Because you go remove my
own.
Okay, you go because even a soundtrack is boom. But say me that one do.
Peter, we fucking have it to Accusations, eh?
Somebody was so good. Thank God.
Frank na dinsha. How it your go na papa?
They were worried.
We don't need work basse. Imabe.
Can
you imagine? Ebe only when you was say airport.
What's it? What was say you are?
Hey, if you see that woman leg. If you see that woman leg. Since I was born, I never see that kind of woman. Mommy let take care of it. Na ya bien me ni gboko we ri ugage ezio wo e lapo no go.
Ezio wo na equal women.
Jesus is Lord.
Na equal women.
Now for cartoon all those when we did Nigeria if they want to do children national day you can't go inside Naomi's garden you can't see all those cartoons they wear toy their leg go make dig for leg now that for they see all those kind of cartoon me go mama let me mommy delete take care lead oh wo ye digbi oh wo to gbidi
omo mo pa so gbidi
oh ye nyaka oni mata okpolo gele nyaka o nyaka aye ga bolo ni
mama we move we I'm going without saying goodbye.
My sister we mi we mana hawo wa wo ibodu wo wa o degbo ivana ona ri tomi tak pa ijare ya mi wona kwa ze gege we Frank no retreat no surrender you must not lose guard ogbegbe no agara gbigo evino usi ni si o owo ni e o gbagbe yin to yin wa ge ya fi yin mi ona wa kibo o bibie
no so we fasting na pray
yin wa yin ti wa se ko wa sin wa na
yin say there from Victor no baba with the smile I don't really understand though. In my way, dating you, Kevin, you were when I was dating you, you got dating were height. You understand? Every time I was saga, you Kevin on refer that even the last saga you did the other day, one of you referred that and people called me to tell me that Mama Kevin is still referring to me. La wo, audio ni akpe na la wo ni Kevin down me my friend were hiding. So. My friend they had.
You know I'm going when I get some mulawa.
My friend they had. But we saw we my friend they at all. Majo. Okay, I milk by my own for the front family, no matter where you have no come. Yeah, we carry. Italy. When I walk, Jari.
You pay here. Yeah, you watch a one. Yeah, you go show na o ya gba gbo ya gele ya yoro you go get wa ya me ros
ya na me ati e work me
ya me ros e last boy mu wa na me owo ge na moto pa iwa ni e last boy mo ye school last ni na be na no job ye o be ye di on mo ye school no ko me pa ya we bo ya we kia
ko wa dun ya
very useless woman.
Asa mama re. Isa ekpe ya fe.
I'm money.
Even webejo. Olopa bejo.
Yes now. I'm money now. Why we move on?
Oni me erivo.
E woman wa ya kete. E wa ya wo ke kwa mi pono ye no mo.
That station no get. Udogun awun egbo agun.
E mat odo o ya po. Body odo o ya pa won. So bo wa mi dan. O ma de ni we jina. We sai. We say, one door. No, the title be here. You understand? You are very neat. We respect. We obey. You understand? But you want to go. When you will live video with me, or not you will live video. You know what I mean?
It was my office. Because they want to prove themselves. Say, I did here, so what's going to happen? Me happen. That's it. I might go to let
you may need to in your one of them. Wow, you may not do you. Master, best is that you begin what they again. They take a woman even a young medicine, you must have a rumor. The man king for the short time. If for he, I drop a report, Maridi, a cabman away. Frank. Why, Muna? If I moto was to.
You want to remote was the bounce back.
On igbe fe yala moto igbe fe.
Oh.
Igbe fe. Oja la moto. Na wa una di.
Ready.
Na iye mamu iye.
Ready.
Woman live with my girl.
You tell me what?
So lo bo se igbe me wa yi ga me. Take ma.
What you guys
Kimi na te wa gbe kare ayi no sit down top. E woman ma sit down, you lie down top. You lie down. E ke ma se yi ro pa. E la pina wa cover here. Ye. Me na cha ni ku me la yi nwe. Ni ke ko ya fa fa. Oh, you know. Let's try to read. Me ti. Ah, what to. Baba. Mumu lete ki alid. O ni wa o wa. Na mi wo no izu wa na wo ni.
Yeah, fi eji akoto mi ami Frank.
Iya iwa mi Frank ni wa ta we.
Eji akoto. Before aje.
Can you imagine?
But the how me wo 49 e me surprise na me wa na wa DJ no kwa ni wa amu. Ah, mama again.
Mumu e baby girl. Baby girl no gba de kia.
I 35 36 years we. O ma pesa gbe 40.
15 years oye. 15
You go to Ghana now, na be do kana we ma say 50.
Iye go.
Oh, we no be do ka be do fian iye je gede na.
Iya gba de kibia kan.
Me no ma ko so me na do tari me na do fian bari me. Iya na gbin ya. Wow.
Wow, de ni bo gbe be bu. Ma make ma blue. We did no ma blue. Kwa le ki Frank. Wa yo ya le ki Frank.
Me mune mo ya ri un lo vole de ari un vole America me. Ye go ami na se wo wa bi je me ge. Upare de ka ma me ge awero ya we no awere go de ne. Ni be go.
We happy.
Ha go ma e we ma mi wo no wa collect e mi na gi owo e.
Ye go na dey useless o. Very useless woman.
Very cow woman.
Oh no, I'm me on Facebook. Oh, woman.
Oh, why
very useless woman. Many are zoo every day. In your Facebook, they say I'm a better person. You get husband. You look for that person, your husband. I don't understand your own. You they pursue your own come for your house.
You want to collect
you want to collect that person own. Why are you a joy killer? Can you just imagine? Why are you with Frank even like him when that book Benny away yamu your wa? Oh yeah, I use a brain now. Because if Frank marry ye Kevin,
because
Kevin when sister when Muro de go when me your bono go lalo. We use when gbagbo. We when who the for wa. E de go man like him when.
Oh.
Wa give it wa kiri ma.
Enwe me nwe ya ri ebreza enwe na leto kan seko. Oye nwo we age me ni me na je wo ho me ma je ebreza yo.
To enwe o kan me. Wọ́n ya ko miss o menne even yoro. Oye poipoy.
We no fi we la wa no we ma wo de gbe pa ya ma ti e ti we mi wa. We o da fe me ne fi area. O wi la wa na e ma ri pa. Ye we ti ri ebo yo. We ye ne we use ne ebo. Huh?
Le wa wo me. Onare owo kame e GPC no no pare owo kame sota ministry no
no pare owo ti di ebo yo e bai gwa bi jo gwa bi jamu wa e no de no ya gwa no wa de no ori e bi ate ga gege no ha gbe wa mo ta wa do gbele legbe e ti webo
oh ja
wa we me desperate even wa ji
nyin ya respecting ya me no won ya bie ti o yin ya wekia no sense me. When I go me look at gwalo e boku. Me look at like e boku. Yeah, when you respect yourself as a mother, the man will respect you. First of all, you can respect the mono biene. When you have respect for your children, there's no man. They are loving boku with you. O no respect mono biene. Wa mi ke wa ni rubo bi sadini. Asika mo ke na yo.
Uno mo si we yari wana. Then my introduction. Maybe can I have with my way, bro. Then my introduction after many months, no carry one. You can't buy anything. Why come here where? Why you know women sadly?
Oh, see, I got to go. Why ready to wow? Why not Saga? Wow, friends.
And I got a picture of Mullah. That's why I bought him. And that's why I bear. Then I was care. Wow, and I agree. Family member outside. Why I not bear what my so one I boo. Partition I be over here. Again, nothing.
Be my God, pardon, and I call you out here.
And I call it. We are money.
I shall go here as waffing. One not insulting. Why are streets? The person you put called Asha, she's not my wife now. As custom and traditions demand. One not rush a girl, you both you were young. Where are you guys? You are still on the streets. How's they looking for man? Everybody money. I don't know very better. We don't have for me young girl. Where were the Saga was your book. I'll go what?
But like Facebook, how everything is.
I had the Facebook. I don't know you for me a physics. I want to nothing. I feel like you don't have your war. Or go.
What about Sylvia? Sylvia no return ni wa o. Oni wa o wa. Wa so ni ai. No blog ile le na le we can blog your
E bodio wo na pe.
Oni wa o wa podio for me te to podio se next year.
E bodio wo na go no blog ba yo.
Oni no di ori awa wo na ko ari aha me ra ye go be ga ye fi. Ono bia le kokobiri ma metimu, o ma be ka metimu. Ebe Nigeria ka na metimu.
Oni kokobiri ma metimu yo wa. O bia do hia ti do mu yo wa. O mi na o mu yo wa, we ya do lo yin meji. Enwe. Iya Kevin, Eriana, iya Kevin. Ewe woni na mo we segwe or maybe katakata do la. What me ask scatter the marriage? Yeah, scatter the marriage. Marriage you man have na marry.
Ask scatter.
We ask scatter. No agree. Wo kan o fe. Ki bokolo. Si la we de le gagbe. Ni aka ka bo wa ka bo bokolo. No agree we ask scatter marriage. Congratulations, wa we do go magbe. O we say get dem. I was at the end of the day. Frankie man. When I was in the Kiani, Oga ma. 2 years relationship, mama no yaruwe for missionary. 2 good years. A video no ya miscarriage the first time we were. Imi ewe na. A video ya miscarriage.
O Frankie meti mo kono ko.
A video ya miscarriage. O ya miscarriage. Ona le mi yegbe. Do ya ni no na ye. Eda obo abuhori e yima. Prevention body. You just say money ni ha. Mistaking not to what do you? Only a gynecologist, we don't know ya flush equa. No flush in the cocoa. No video and I'm and maybe now got sounds good. One video, I won't have them out. We are miscarriage the first time. The first time I was miscarried. The first time. That was 2022. I bet 2023. Then one back Mami wo takba inari nakbu ina 7 days ye gbina na be
that one na te
na we 13 na we 13 February 13 not by 20 something not 21 20 yeah ba miscarriage after what I don't give a man away but if I get in hurry I bet we kono ko
Those
Area of Biorobusa.
Let it be.
Yama. My adult give me yaji.
Ya we ya mugoto. Ya gbe ya mugoto.
Ela goya gbayana. Ona agwe gon record eh. Ona agwe gon record eh. Ona agwe gon record eh. Anybody near you go one, they are going to be careful.
Yeah, careful. My yeah, salon.
Because yeah, got a record down.
Yeah, I went on no more. So we may call it.
Yeah, my baby. Oh, baby.
So go me make record.
Ah, baby. Very sad. I really didn't wish.
I will when we are with me. Ni ye mo do de re ma gwa lo da fi na ko wa se ke gbe ni a.
Ye go gwa we here. Ohe no ma he. Ohe na mi ni gbe. Ohe na ma gwa. Work by ohe work by pastor. Nonsense. Nonsense ka bo ha.
De ne kere no no wa mare na. No pojo na hia na. E o la ma wo. Ya your friend wa ya fe. E wo friend ya.
Eze yo. Ye go no ma ni gbe.
Na ba ha.
Me maka he ne kiri ne mekido onye kevi. Me maka he ne kiri na ne mekido onye kevi. I worry. Ye could ni me handle this gesi yego. Then me handle this gesi yego. Then ya akpo joge. Ni ka bo he ya nota. Ye ya akpo joge. Ya lazo joge. Ya this gesi. So that all those women we can friends they are fair. They will come know who mama go be to me.
Tiens avec o wa ngana be ata. Wa asa ni ata we ya.
Talking me am witness.
Why they by Frank wa gagbe.
No we dey ba tin asun. Yeah no do black.
No ma be gun ayo subito, no ma be gun ayo gege, no be do gbe no gbe yo na do gbe later all be sun. Abi?
E mo tan na me ai we ne wo.
Anybody know the gbe do mo ya.
Anybody we ya go na problem. Ona lo yi mota ni mati mi na ya saga yego.
Babo like.
Babo here like be for national history. Oh I don't hear but here ti ni. Cause ya we na me we e Frank on wa dan. And oboga yi ba ya wa ko e. E me ni Frank e ta do. Ye do akbe. E ge ni na so saga ya ni. Awe nyama people because you ma believe you say we Frank emo ade ya ho na go ya sizowa all the day happy
e wa sizowa o e wa ni mi ya tasha
wa si ai oh I forget ya